Hi, welcome to this channel. In this particular session, we are going to talk about the types of online businesses anybody can start from any area or any geographical location. Stay tuned. Yes, it is very possible for you to start an online business, no matter what you do, no matter what field you are in, no matter what skills you have, no matter what abilities you have, no matter what your career is, no matter what your business is. It is possible for you to consider starting an online business. And everything she's going to share today is going to wholly and totally help us to be able to start, even from today, if you pick it. Get your pens ready, get your notes ready. Let me switch it back to Auntie Dorcas, who is going to zoom into the training. So Auntie Dorcas, take it up from me now.
Thanks so much, Mark. Now, there are many reasons why a person will want to go online to start a business. For someone, they might be a 9-to-5 job and then they don't have any other time to do other things. But they know that they will have to get another source of income to take care of their families and other pressures of life. And so they don't have any other choice but to set a business online so that they can have another income. Then there are the others that also will want to go online to complement what they do offline. For instance, I already told you I have a business offline. I take care of kids' needs by selling kids' products and all. Supposing I want to reach out to more people to complement this offline business, then I will set up another business online, a website, so that other people that are not within the vicinity where I sell can go online to buy these products also. In this case, I'm complementing my offline business. Then again, there is another person who just wants to use that as their very first source of income. And so, no matter your reason for wanting to go online to set up a business, it is good, it is very much okay, and many people are doing it and making it big time. But then the difference between those that make it and those that fail is what we are going to talk about. In every business, before you take off, you will need to have a strategy. You need to have a plan. You need to know the problem you are going to solve with whatever that you are going to do online. And so to make things easier for you, I have broken down the various activities, everything that you can do online to generate income into 4 main categories. The first category is selling physical products. The second one is selling digital products. The third is rendering services online. And the last but not the least is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to take them one after the other so that you understand them better. Let's start with the physical product. You can decide that you want to sell a physical product online. This can be a beauty product, it could be a health product, it could be a home accessory or any other physical product that you can think of. And maybe you want to do that because that is where your specialty is. That is the knowledge you know, that is the skill you have. That is okay. You can do that. But then you should know that for this particular category, selling physical products, there are certain things that you will need offline first and then online. So you need a name, you need a product, and you should have the problem that you are going to solve with it. Now, depending on your location, and by location I mean geographical location, you should be able to also know the customers you are going to serve with this product. So that is what you would do for a physical product. I'm moving into the digital products, and that is my favorite actually, and I'll tell you why. Digital products are products that don't need to be shipped when there is a purchase. Most of the times, the moment there is a purchase, instantly the customer gets access to that product. And there are many types of digital products, from online courses, printables, templates, softwares coming here. You have music, you have so many other things. Everything that is not tangible, that is consumed almost immediately there is a purchase, is a digital product. And so for most people that are limited in terms of where they are geographically, I always advise that they start with a digital product. The reason being that there is easy access, and even if you want to start tonight, you could easily go online, set it up, and then begin selling. And so long as you have whatever product in that form, in that digital form that somebody can access and pay you for. An example is what I am doing now. I am teaching. And so supposing I've created a page that I teach people on how they can create online courses. Somebody can go on that page, click on a button, sign up, and then I will have to schedule so that I teach that person either through Zoom, through Google Meet, or any other platform that I feel will be comfortable and convenient for both of us. And so those are services. So at that particular moment, you are trading your time for money by rendering those services to those clients that needed it. And then the last but not the least, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is such a fancy word, but then it's a simple thing. It's basically you promoting the product of someone else, and where there is a sale out of the promotion or the recommendation you made, the person gives you a commission out of that. Most of the times, they are able to trace, and by they I mean the owners of those products, are able to trace where every sale comes from, because there is a special link that they give to you when you are signing up as a marketer for that product or as an affiliate marketer. And so most of the times people ask me that question: how would they know I made that purchase or that person bought that product because of me? It's because that link came through whatever link that they give to you when you decided to help them market that product. I advise that if you want to be an affiliate marketer, be sure to sell products or recommend products that are under your field. Let me take mine as an example. I teach people how to create courses. And in creating courses, you need certain tools, you need certain softwares. For instance, you will need a camera, you need an editing software or app, you need some other tools to create your templates and all. So, if you are going to use Canva like I used, if you are going to use Adobe Premiere Pro like I used to edit, and then I'm an affiliate marketer for Adobe Premiere Pro, and also an affiliate marketer for Canva. In this case, I don't have to struggle so much to recommend those products to you. It is something I am already using. And so when I tell you that this is what I use, and it's very easy to create templates from canva.com. So use it. This is the link to make it easier for you. They trust you because that is what you are using and it's working for you. So they can easily click on that link, go there, make a purchase, and it comes to your credit. You've made an extra money out of there too, in addition to your other products. And so if you go into affiliate marketing, those are some of the things that you should take advantage of and also take into consideration. Those are the 4 categories that you can go through and see which one best resonates with what you want to do online. So you can decide to go into physical products, 1. You can decide to go into digital products, 2. You can decide to go into services rendering, 3. And you can decide to go into affiliate marketing.
Awesome. Wow. So first and foremost, what we are going to do now is to pick which particular category that we want to work in. So let's go through it again. Physical products, digital products, services, and affiliate marketing. My questions is going to be based on detailing each of these particular ones, giving us examples. So I think that is what you are coming to, right? Yeah. So just move into that one right now. So listen, before she moves in, if you have not picked your area yet, please pick your area. Look at your surrounding, look at your location. She spoke about geographical location. Look at what will work for you. If you don't want the hassle and the bustle that comes with shipment and all of that, you can be an intermediary. You are not affiliate, but you are selling physical products, but you are just a middleman who is linking people to the products and the product to the company to the people, and then the transaction is done from there. So Auntie Dorcas, continue.
Okay, thank you, Mark. Now we are going to look at how you can set up these places so that you can generate the income that you so much desire. How do you do that? If you are starting your business offline, you will know that you either need an office space or need a shop where you're going to sell from. It's the same with an online space. You can't just say you are selling online where you don't have a place where people will go to. And so the very first thing that you will need, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, services or the affiliate marketing that you are going to do. It's a landing page or a website. The website is a fully fledged site with all functions that a normal website should have. When you click on a person's website, you have the home, you have products, you have contacts, about it all. In the same way, you realize that sometimes you click on a link and it's just a one page with almost all information on that page. And so when you click on a button, instead of it taking you to another section of the page, it takes you up. So it's either you make a purchase, you download whatever that they are offering, or you leave that website or you leave that landing page. That is the difference. For you to have the best of sites, you will need first to get a name that is in line with what you are doing. When you take my website, Mega Skills Hub, skills in the name, and then the hub is in the name, because offline too I train people. So when you click on that link, everything that you're going to see there is related to what is in the name. If you're going to deal in beauty supplies as a physical product, you can decide to just pick the name beautysupplies.com. In this case, you don't have to explain yourself when people see the name and then they want to find out what you are trading in. So you choose that name, you get a website, and then you need a payment gateway. And once again, depending on your location, there are some payment gateways that you have access to and those that you cannot. If you are in Africa, you are likely to be limited because you cannot use Stripe and you cannot use PayPal in certain places. Luckily enough, there are other companies that thought of people in Africa and also set up payment gateways to work for whoever that has a business in Africa and want to sell online. One of them is Paystack.com, and you can write the name down so that you Google later to know more. For you to qualify as one of their merchants so that they collect money on your behalf, there are certain things they will require from you. Your business name, and then other things like your bank account, so that when the money comes, they can transfer into the account for you. You can go to paystack.com, you can go to flutterwave.com. Just like Paystack, Flutterwave also does the same thing. And so we have a website or landing page, we have a payment gateways. But then, if you are so overwhelmed with the technicalities, there is another way also. There are some companies that have set up these e-commerce sites and hosting platforms. These sites are plenty, but then you can use Amazon.com to sell some of these products, like I have my books on. You can use Spotify to sell if it's music, and then other things that you want to sell, digital, downloadables, printables, physical products, they do that. If it's courses that you are going to create, there are sites like teachable.com, Kajabi is there, Thinkific is there, Udemy is there. All these are sites that has taken that stress off your back, and so you don't have to think about creating the sites yourself, creating the landing pages and other things yourself. You just have to go there, tweak it to suit you, and you are good to go. And so now we have our landing page or our online shop, if that is simpler for you. We have the payment gateways that we want to go, and you have to decide for yourself based on your location. If you're outside of Ghana, outside of Africa, you can also decide on using PayPal or Stripe. If you're within Africa, I recommend Paystack and Flutterwave, like I said. You can use both on your side, or you can use one.
Today's edition is an exciting and more informative one. And you see all the information she's sharing. Let me round it up for you. Listen, what she's trying to tell us is that it is possible for you to sell your physical product online. It is possible for you to create a digital product and sell. It is possible for you to try and sell your services online, and it is also possible for you to be an affiliate marketer, no matter your geographical location. What you need is either a website or a landing page. And then you also need the payment channel through which people can pay when they purchase your products. But if you don't want to go through all that hassle of creating the landing page and the website on your own, there are platforms that have already been created, and she listed some of them. What they have done, like she said, is putting together everything that you need. So you just go in there, you edit, you post, till you are able to tweak what they have done to suit your store. So just like you have a physical shop, a physical office, or a physical store to sell your products, this is done online for you. If you've had value from this video, what I want you to do is to smash the like button, and I want you to place a comment down there. If you have any question, just place a comment in the comment section. And if you are not yet subscribed to this particular channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. But your like is needed because it will encourage us to bring you more videos like this.